Hey guys, Leslie here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful yarn puppy that doubles as a storage container, a secret hidden treasure container. I will also have the complete list of supplies in the info box below. For this puppy, I used an empty candle container, cleaned the inside and out with alcohol to get rid of any oils. To get started, I'm going to anchor the yarn with some hot glue. Now with some tacky glue, I'm going to lay down the rest of the yarn to cover the entire top part of the lid and the sides. Once you're done with the lid, and set it to the side to dry. Now for the glass part of the container, we're going to start the same way by anchoring our yarn with some hot glue and then using tacky glue to lay down the rest of the yarn to cover the side of the jar and the bottom part. Once you're done, you should have something that looks like this. Next, I made a couple pom-poms. Using a cardboard that's about 12 inches long, I created 3 thick bunches of yarn. And tied in the middle. This is about how thick they should be. Cut the loops at the end. And you should end up with something like this. Now we are going to start assembling our puppy. So take one of the bunches of strands of yarn and place in the middle, then place another one in the front, and just make sure that all these are attached to the lid only. Then attach one to the back as well. Now take some from the front strands and some back strands to make a ponytail. And I just tied it down with a piece of yarn. Now bunch up your ponytail and give it a nice trim. I added a little bow. Now with the pony bead, I added her little nose. And her eyes should sit right on the edge of the lid. Now we're going to give this little beard a trim. And the back as well. Add the pom-poms for feet. With a little felt, I cut a little teardrop, and this is going to be our tongue. To make the nose a little more realistic, I looped some yarn around it and added it at the end. And there you have your beautiful yarn puppy. But the beauty of these puppies is that they also double as a storage container. Look at this, look how cute they are. I made this with one of from the Dollar Tree, the little Play-Doh container. See, that's what it looks like at the bottom. So it's the same thing except it's a smaller container. And for the larger one, you can also open it up, close it, just give it a little push and it's nice and tight. Tell me what you think. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have any suggestions for me. Thank you. Bye.